What's up, guys? Good morning. Today is a Saturday and I'm going to Kansas Rocks Recreational Park. I'm just testing this camera I have. It's an ultra wide or a 360 camera. I'm gonna talk about my Forerunner a little bit, and I'm gonna mount this camera outside to see some travel of the shocks of the wheels while off-road. I'm not sure if you can see everything here in the driver's seat. Maybe I could just reposition it a little bit later on, but I don't know if that will add some more light to my face. The camera is facing a little bit down, but I'm not sure how the ultra wide lens acts yet, or the 360 lens. I don't know how it acts with regards to capturing light, but yeah, I don't know how much you can see here, but this is my four-wheel drive, my drive. I don't know what's a good angle to mount this camera to. Maybe here in my back, having all the controls here and seeing the road. But yeah, that's it. See ya later. And I am now in the Kansas Rocks Recreational Park, and I am gonna show you my routine before I wheel on the trail. We always deflate our tires. Mine, I deflated to 12 psi, and I have this Stone tire deflator. So this is what it looks like. I just put it in there, and I can just leave it, talk to my friend. It will deflate it to 12 psi. I used to have a manual one, but it takes like a little bit more effort and your attention. These wheels, I feel safe turning them down to about 10 psi because these has the bead grip technology. So under this lip here, there's a groove that prevents the bead of the tire to slip. If I had like true bead locks, I would air down to like 6 psi, but those require like bigger, thicker tires.